Content and SEO go hand in hand. Without content, your SEO efforts are seriously diminished. For example, your keyword research won't do much good unless you then use those keywords in your content. And creating content without knowing what your audience is looking for will leave you without any visitors. Beyond that, high-quality content is the value that customers are looking for. Ideally, it solves a problem that a customer or visitor has, and it earns you backlinks. It's also what search engines crawl when they arrive at your site. An ideally optimized web page content should do all of the following. 1. Be hyper-relevant to a specific topic, which is usually a single product or a single topic. 2. Specify the subject several times throughout text content using relevant keywords from your keyword research. But be careful though, as keyword stuffing can result in Google penalizing your site. 3. Provide unique content about a given subject. It is very important not to have duplicate content on your entire website. When there are multiple pieces of duplicate content in more than one location on the internet, including in several pages on the same website, it can be difficult for search engines to decide which version is more relevant to a given search query, and it can therefore impact your rankings.